All pretties, do you have a teenager just like me na may lumalabas na ng mga pimples? Ibabahagi ko sa video natin ngayon kung paano namin nawala ang kanyang teenager bumps, ang kanyang mga pimples. Kung gusto nyong malaman ang little secret namin, panoorin hanggang sa dulo ang video na ito. Just a little backstory kung paano ko na-discover ang produktong ito because I follow the IG of Roxanne Ginooyap. Napanood ko ang kanilang little secret at ito lang pala ang kanilang sekreto paano nawala ang pimples ng kanyang dalagita. Na-bothered na rin po ako kasi dumadami na ang pimples ng aking daughter sa part na ito ng kanyang cheek. Nung una is lumalabas lang dito sa forehead pa konti-konti. Tapos ngayon, I've noticed na dumadami na after her menstruation and prior to her menstruation ay lumalabas ang kanyang pimples dito sa cheeks na. So, na-trigger na ang mommy. So, after watching that video from Roxanne Ginoo with her daughter, mabilis pa sa kidlat, pumunta ako sa butika at bumili para naman mawala na ang pimples ng aking dalagita. To my surprise, really, this very cheap at affordable lang talaga na product ay, praise God, hindi na po nadagdagan ang pimples ng anak ko, and yung bumps, pakonti-konti po siyang lumiit. This product is a holy grail and super easy on the budget kasi murang-mura talaga, mami. So, bago ako mag-proceed sa product na ito, ang ginagamit niya pala na facial wash prior to applying this one is the Cathedral Anti-AC Cushion. Kung hindi kayo bago sa aking channel is meron na po akong vlog about this one. So, hindi ko na po masyado itong i-elaborate. But this facial cleanser is really a must try for everyone. Kahit buntis, kahit lactating, kahit teenager ay pwedeng-pwede ito. Because this is very good for those acne-prone skin. Made in Korea po ito at mabibili lang po ito sa Watsons. And I purchased this one on a sale. So, nakamura po ako nito. Ibabahagi ko na sa inyo this time ang talagang main product na nakakapag-subside ng bumps at talagang natanggal ang pimples ng aking anak. From the look of this to a beautiful face now after using this Holy Grail cream. This is from United Home and ang pangalan niya ay Sulfent. Main ingredient is sulfur. This is a 100 mg topical ointment that is good for keratolytic and scabicide, mga skin conditions or skin concerns in 100 mg or 15 grams. Yan, ito po ang kanyang packaging pag bilhin mo siya. Meron po siyang box and inside this one is the ointment or cream. At the back portion, ito ang makikita natin ang mga dosage, ano ang kanyang ingredient, saan siya na manufacture, warnings and contraindications. So this is really good for the treatment of acne and scabies. Main ingredient niya is sulfur, which is 100 mg. Ang contraindication, those who are allergic to sulfur or any ingredient in this product, hindi po siya pwedeng gamitin. And also, if your children is under 2 years old, hindi po ito pwede. 2 years old and above ang pwede gumamit ng produktong ito. Dosage and administration. For acne, wash affected areas with a mild cleanser and water. Apply a thin layer of sulfur ointment to pimple areas 1 to 3 times a day or as prescribed by a doctor. Avoid applying to normal skin to prevent excessive dryness Wash hands after each application. Pwede din po siya sa scabies. So, take a thorough bath before each application and 24 hours after the last treatment. Apply sulfur ointment and gently massage on all skin areas from the neck to the toes, including soles of the feet. Leave on for 24 hours after application. Repeat 2 to 3 consecutive days to prevent the spread of scabies. Everyone in the household or group, whether itching or not, should be treated at the same time. All clothing and bedding used by a patient with scabies should be washed using hot water. Ito ang ointment niya. So, sa box niya, magkatulad lang po talaga sila ng itsura. Kung ano ang nakalagay sa likuran ng box, ay ganito din po ang nakalagay dito sa likuran ng tube na ito. But the expiry is seen here. This will expire on October 2024. So, nabili ko siya last month, so June of 2022. The expiry of this product is 2 years. Buksan natin siya. Makikita nyo ba? So, para siyang very light yellow ang kanyang itsura. Yan. Yan ang kanyang look, and the texture is so creamy, and the scent is really the same of that sulfur soap. Have you tried any sulfur soap from Bioderm and Dr. Wong's sulfur soap? It's the same. The smell of this ointment is really the same of the products I've mentioned. You just need to apply it very thinly over the affected area or the pimples or the scabies kung meron po tayo. I purchased this one. Hindi kayo makapaniwala kasi I was thinking that it will cost me a lot. But knowing United Home, talagang United Home delivers and serves us with a very economical and budget-friendly medicines. Over the past years, ganyan po talaga ang marka ng mga United Home products. Cheap, affordable, but very effective products. So, alam nyo ba kung magkano ang product na ito? This one is only 71 pesos in 15 grams. Diba? Super swak at super sulit lang talaga sa ating budget. Go ahead and buy this one kung meron kayong mga teenagers. And so thankfully, at nakapanood ako sa video ni Miss Roxanne Ginoo with her daughter using this ointment kasi it really helps the treatment of the pimple of my daughter. I hope na nakatulong po ako sa mga mommies na the same ang concern sa akin na meron ng mga teenagers on their puberty stage having a little bumps and a little very cute pimples there on their very fragile skin. At nakatulong ako sa konting tip na ito. Kung gusto nyong panuorin ang previous vlog ko using the Cathy Doll anti-AC cushion, just visit this. See you in my next video. Gracias!